What's up, cabin crew wannabes? What's cracking? What's cooking? What's good? Let's educate ourselves just a little bit on how to become a cabin crew, and let's talk about ATS Applicant Tracking System. I am invisible, please bear with me, and let's get into it. Applicant Tracking System. What is ATS? An applicant tracking system, ATS, is a software application that helps organizations manage their recruitment and hiring process. The system automates many of the time-consuming manual tasks associated with recruiting, such as posting job openings, receiving resumes and cover letters, and tracking applicants' data. The ATS software typically provides a platform for recruiters to post job openings to multiple job boards, career websites, and social media channels. Candidates can then apply to these openings through various channels, including the organization's websites, the job board where the posting was done, or through email. When a candidate applies for a job, their resume, cover letter, and any other applicant material are automatically stored and organized within the ATS. The system uses artificial intelligence (AI) algorithms to scan resumes and other documents for keyword and phrases related to the job and to rank candidates based on their qualifications and experience. Recruiters can then search through the database of resumes and filter the applications based on the range of factors, including education, experience, location, skills, and keywords. This process helps recruiters quickly identify the most qualified candidates and weed out unqualified ones, saving time and resources. The ATS also provides a streamlined platform for a recruiter to schedule interviews, send automated emails to candidates, and collaborate with hiring managers and the team members. The software can track each candidate's status throughout the hiring process, ensuring that everyone involved in the process is on the same page. Overall, an ATS can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the recruitment and hiring process, allowing organizations to more easily find, screen, and hire the best candidates for their open positions. What do you know about applicant tracking system? You may think that the first step towards your dream job is when a recruiter receives your CV, scans it, and makes a quick decision whether your CV will end up in the trash or you will be invited to attend the assessment day. Large airlines such as Emirates, Qatar, and Etihad don't do it this way. They are getting help from ATS, which filters thousands of CVs before a person or a recruiter receives the most suitable on the table. Let's take a few seconds. We are taking a few seconds break before we carry on with the next slide. Stand up, stretch, do whatever you want to, and then we can carry on in 3, 2, 1. In your CV, the ATS software searches for keywords matching those that were used in the job description. And of course, it also checks if your CV is without grammatical errors. Why do companies use ATS? This system speeds up and makes work easier for recruiting staff. A few years ago, it was used mainly by larger companies, but that is no longer the case today. More and more companies, even smaller, rely on the applicant tracking system. The reasons are simple. This computer program not only speeds up and makes it easier for recruiters, but also saves time and money for the company. Emirates Airlines has announced its official website that it receives average 15,000 cabin crew applications per month. That's 500 requests a day. It is not possible for a recruiter to browse and filter 500 CVs per day. For recruiting staff, it is very easy to find and contact any candidate who is registered within the system. This, of course, also leads to a better organization of the entire recruitment center. There are many different applicant tracking system softwares, programs that airlines may use for the recruitment process. One of the popular ATS systems is Taleo that is used by many companies, including airlines, for their recruitment process. Some of the airlines that are known to use Taleo for their recruitment include Delta Airlines, United Airlines, American Airlines, Emirates Airlines, Cathay Pacific, Qantas Airways, Qatar Airways, Etihad Airways, Singapore Airlines, and Lufthansa. It's worth noting that these airlines have been known to use Taleo in the past. The recruitment process may change over time and they may use a different ATS. Thanks for listening.
Stop using formats like these, or these, or these, or this. Basically any of these colorful, creative type of templates. These type of templates are pretty, but they're not ATS optimized. With resumes, there's a certain format to follow that recruiters use to scan quickly to determine education, experience, accomplishments, and skill sets. And this template is not one of them. Instead, it has to be something like this, where everything's clearly laid out in a bullet point format. The recruiter is going to be taking 6 seconds to look at this.
So the reason why an ATS wouldn't be able to read a resume like that is because it's a software. With software, you have very specific inputs and outputs that are related to what the software can do. The ATS software is designed to read those resumes that are made from those Microsoft Word or PDF type templates. The software does not have the capability to read weird functions and templates like the ones that Canva has.